Soundcore by Anker just released the Liberty 4 NC active noise cancellation earbuds, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of it. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, audio quality, battery performance, the smartphone app, all of its features, pros and cons, while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. Talking about the design and build quality, Soundcore Liberty 4 NC looks quite beautiful and premium. The build quality feels pretty solid, but still it's quite lightweight, and the earbuds come with smooth curves without any sharp edges. The case of the Soundcore Liberty 4 NC looks like the case of any other earphones, but it comes with a unique way to open it, and because of the huge LED and shiny interiors, it looks very cool and quite futuristic. There is a USB Type-C port provided for charging the case, and it comes with wireless charging capability as well. Soundcore Liberty 4 NC comes with IP export certification, so you do not need to worry about the minor humidity and sweat to damage your earphones, and on both left and right sides you got the touch sensors to perform various commands, and it comes with 5 different color options. The pairing process for Soundcore Liberty 4 NC is pretty easy, as it comes with Google Fast Pair for Android. To use all of the features of Soundcore Liberty 4 NC, you will have to use the Soundcore smartphone app that provides lots of options and customization settings that you can use to improve your productivity. Using this app, you can switch between the noise cancellation modes. If you select the transparency mode, then you also get the option to select whether you would like fully transparent sound or you would like to concentrate only on the vocals. And for the noise cancellation, it comes with 3 different modes. You can use the adaptive noise cancellation that smartly detects the ambient noise, and based on that, it adjusts the noise cancellation level. Or you can go with the manual mode to select the intensity of the noise cancellation. Or if you are commuting, then you can select the transportation mode, and it also comes with 4 different kinds of modes of transportation to select. You can also turn on or off the wind noise reduction, and then you got various sound effects. You can turn on or off the 3D surround sound system, or you can select one of the equalizer provided by Soundcore, or if you want, you can also go to the custom equalizer mode and create an equalizer setting based on your hearing preference. And then we got the Hear ID sound that allows you to have a personalized audio experience on Liberty 4 NC. I will personally prefer to use the Hear ID sound, as it also contributes in the better noise cancellation experience. And then we got the safe volume feature, using which you can reduce the audio output in your Liberty 4 NC to protect your ears. And then we got the option to customize the touch controls. On both left and right earbuds, you can perform 4 different kinds of touch commands, so overall you can perform 8 different commands on Soundcore Liberty 4 NC. So the smartphone app is really feature rich, as it provides lots of customization options that you can use on your Soundcore Liberty 4 NC for better listening experience. Talking about the audio quality, Liberty 4 NC comes with 11mm drivers, high-res wireless audio certification, and it supports LDAC codec. The audio quality is really impressive, and you get good amount of bass as well as nice sounding mids and highs to get a very balanced and nice audio experience overall. So does not matter what kind of music you listen, you will enjoy it on Liberty 4 NC for sure. And when it comes to active noise cancellation, the performance of Liberty 4 NC is best in class and its price segment. The adaptive ANC system on Liberty 4 NC is very advanced, and it works in real time. Using the Hear ID sound feature, it also customizes the noise cancellation based on the shape of the ear canal of the user, as well as the ambient environment sound. Soundcore officially claims that Liberty 4 NC can reduce noises up to 98.5%, and the Liberty 4 NC really reduces majority of the ambient sound very easily and quickly. Talking about the battery life, with active noise cancellation turned on, you will get around 7 hours of battery life in one full charge, and using the case, you can charge the Liberty 4 NC up to 4 more times. So you will get around 35 to 40 hours of battery life in one full single charge. And if you turn off the ANC, then you will get around 10 hours of playtime and overall 50 hours of playtime with a fully charging case and the earbuds. earbuds. And once again, that is quite impressive for sure, considering the battery performance of other earbuds in the same and even in the higher price segment. It also comes with fast charging feature, so just by charging the earbuds for 10 minutes you will get 4 hours of listening experience. And it also comes with the wireless charging capability that is very helpful if you are on the go and you do not have a USB cable. Then you can just use the reverse wireless charging feature of your smartphone to charge the case and the earbuds of Liberty 4NC. It comes with total 6 microphones that provide a very nice voice call experience by reducing the ambient sound, and these microphones also contribute in perfectly detecting the ambient noise for the noise cancellation feature. Liberty 4NC support Bluetooth version 5.3 and up to 10 meters of Bluetooth range, so you won't feel any issue while making voice calls if you move further away from your device. It also comes with multi-point connection, so the Liberty 4NC can connect with 2 devices at the very same time. It comes with smart wearing detection, so if you remove the earbuds from your ear, then the music will be paused by itself, and once you put them back in your ear, then music will start playing again. The response is a bit slow on Liberty 4NC, but it works perfectly every single time. Overall, Soundcore Liberty 4NC is one of the best noise cancellation earbuds currently available in the market, especially if you're talking about the pricing, as it comes with brilliant audio quality, very impressive active noise cancellation with many different noise cancellation modes, wireless charging capability, the battery performance is also very impressive, and the design and build quality is nice as well. So if you're planning to buy a top quality noise cancellation earbuds without spending too much money, then the Soundcore Liberty 4NC is the best option for you. If you're interested, the link to buy the Liberty 4NC is given in the description of this video, and if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.